Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, there's some changes going on. I'm here to give you an update on my health, what's going on, and you're getting a little sneak peek of what I got for my birthday. And sorry I sound out of breath. I am a little bit out of breath. I have to reach for the camera now. The camera's not so close. I have it farther back. I've got more lighting. I've got the backdrop. I got a microphone. I'm still trying to figure that one out. That one I haven't figured out yet, but I'll get my husband to help me with it. But basically, I'm here today. I've missed filming so bad. I really have. And I'm missing everything. Today's the first day I put makeup on since Christmas Day. I am feeling better. I have, it was my left breast. I'm not going to go into major detail. You guys know. But I can lift my arm. So, yay, I can lift my arm a bit. The area where they took the lymph nodes is pretty good. That area is good. My breast, on the other hand, no, it hurts all the time. Not enough to take a pain pill, but just enough to just aggravate the crap out of me. Yeah, I'm in pain now, but I'm dealing with it. I'm okay with it. And the doctors say it takes about 6 weeks till you start feeling about normal. I'm at 3 weeks. And I'm not sure. I didn't go back and look at the live stream I put up. So I don't remember everything I told you in that one. So I'm just going to try to just give you up to date right now what's going on. I'm sorry, I have a little bit of a headache. I think the anesthesia gave me a headache, but right now I think setting all the lights up and everything, I got a little bit of a headache, so I apologize for that. Where I'm at, when they removed I'm sweating, sorry. When they removed the tumors, the two little masses, they cut into the third area that they were concerned about. I had 5 areas that they were concerned about, if you remember, if you're going all the way back. The 2 masses they did remove, and she did cut into that third area, and when they tested the what they removed, one tumor was non-invasive. That must have been the one that they actually biopsied. Good. The other tumor was invasive, which means it had grown outside the cell, but still very early stages of it. They said both of them were 1 centimeter. Is it 1 centimeter? Yeah. But they're both really not 1 centimeter. Apparently that's the lowest they go, but they were even smaller than that. So they caught them really early. So, but they got clear margins around them, but at the edge of one of the margins, where she cut into that third area of concern, I found a cancer cell. It was non-invasive, but it was a cancer cell. So now I have to have a second surgery. My surgery is February the 13th. And they're going to, originally she was going to go into the original incision and just take more area out. Now that's not the case. It's like I'm having a second lumpectomy. It'll be almost like a repeat of my last surgery. I go for guide wires to show her where those little spatterings of calcification are, which I said look like glitter in the mammogram. So they will find those, mark those margins, and I'm having a second mammogram, or a second lumpectomy, right, it'll be under where this one was. So that's what's going to happen on February the 13th. So then I have to start the healing process all over again. So let's just expect that from that point on, it'll be about 3 weeks before I film, because that's where we're at right now. And they did more this time than they're going to do this next time. So still don't know if I have to do chemo. Don't know if she's not telling me, if she's waiting for me to come into the office, or if she just don't know yet. This is my oncologist who will be telling me this. I have an oncologist, I have a radiologist, I have a surgeon, and then my general practitioner. So I have 4 doctors right now, and I love them all. They're great. So Dr. Tiara is my oncologist. She is as cute as a button. Oh my gosh, she is so sweet. Dr. Smathers, she's my radiologist, and Dr. LeBlanc, she is my surgeon. So they're all female except for my GP. So Dr. LeBlanc is going to do the surgery on the 13th. Then I see Dr. Tiara on the 22nd. Not sure yet when my follow-up visit with Dr. LeBlanc will be after the next surgery. And then 6 weeks after the surgery is when I should start radiation. Hopefully 4 weeks of radiation. If she said larger breasted women sometimes can't do that type of radiation, so I'll be looking at 5 to 7 weeks. But she's going to try. We won't know till the day I go for my first radiation treatment. Now, if I have to have chemo, chemo will come before radiation. Definitely having radiation. If I have to have chemo, 12 weeks of chemo will come first, and then the radiation. How they're determining chemo, they're testing the invasive cell to see how aggressive it is. So if it's not very aggressive, no chemo. If it seemed like it was very aggressive, then I have to have chemo. Lymph nodes came out clear. That's not 100% guarantee that something didn't get through, but it is a very good sign. So that's where I'm at on all that. And I know I haven't kept you guys up to date as much as I should, but that's just because I've been in the dark. It's like pulling teeth to get information. It really is. It takes a while. So anyway, I've just been watching a lot of TV. A lot of TV. I'm now back sleeping in the bed, which I'm so glad of, instead of the recliner. I'm going to sleep in the bed until my next surgery. I'll be back in the recliner again. I've got lots I've wanted to film. I've got lots happening. Let's just say I'm going to film another video today because I'm feeling pretty good, and then I'm going to stop there. I'm not going to push myself. I haven't left the house except twice, and that was for doctor appointments. So I'm not really doing a whole lot. I can't lift anything. I got to get my stamina back. I've got to dye my hair. Oh my gosh, I can't right now. I can't dye my hair, so it's just going to be like it is for now. I have got some. I'm going to do a haul video for you. I'm going to film it when my last thing comes in. I know I'm on a low buy. Most of it I bought before the first of the year, and I did buy a few things. I just kind of, my low buy went out the door for January. And I blame sitting in a chair playing on my laptop for that, and just being bored. So yeah, I got to February. I really don't plan on buying anything in February. I say that and something will pop up, and I don't know. I've discovered lots of new YouTube channels to watch, and I've been watching people's videos. That's been great. Anything else? Oh, I got a Beautylish lucky bag. It's shipped already, and it should be here next week, and I will film it, which next week is, I'll try to get this video up as soon as possible. It's currently Saturday, the 19th or the 20th, something like that. I'll get this up as soon as possible, but it will be next week. And the story on my lucky bag is, I didn't realize they went on sale the day after Christmas. And as you guys know, that's the day of my surgery. As soon as I found out they went on sale the day after Christmas, I contacted customer service at Beautylish. And I contacted through the computer, through the website. and I sent the email saying I'm having breast cancer surgery. I took a photo of my the information I have for going to have the surgery. Basically it had the hospital, the doctors, the date, you know, all that on there. Nothing too personal, except, you know, that I was having breast cancer surgery. And so I did send in proof that I was having breast cancer surgery. And I thought, why did I do that after I did it? Nothing's going to come of that. So this really wonderful lady named Kristen at Beautylish wrote me back and said, make sure everything's up to date in my account, my payment information and my coloring, all that. And I did. And on the day of the surgery, I got an email stating she was able to get me the regular lucky bag, not the extra large. I don't believe that would have been fair. She did get me the regular lucky bag, and I appreciate that so much because my husband's like, I'll try to get it for you, and I knew better. And because he, you know, it was a lot going on that day. So I want to thank Kristen. So my lucky bag will be here next week. So I'm so excited to do that, and I can't wait to unbox it for you because I've never had a lucky bag before. So I'm excited about that. So guys, that's my update. You can see, look, there's some more going to be happening. I'm in another room in my house, away from construction. The bedroom was too cramped. It was just, I just didn't have enough room in there to film, and I just needed more space. So my husband got me a studio. Yay! There is a extra room on our house that we've been working on that was not finished, and it is not completely finished yet, but I have this area. This is my beauty area. When it is all said and done, I will do a video for you, but I'm in a noisier part of the house. Just across behind this wall is the laundry room, and I can hear the dryer, but I don't think you guys can hear the dryer, which is great. Back where I was filming in the bedroom, they're building that house. Man, guys, they are loud. And I'm not talking about the machinery. I'm talking about the men building the house. It's loud. So I'm glad to have this. So this is a work in progress. And hopefully by the time I'm all healed from everything, we'll be really good to go. So thank you all so much for all of the emails I've received, all the texts I've received, all the comments on Facebook, on Instagram. Just thank you all so much. I appreciate it so much. Thank you to those of you who sent me meals. I appreciate that. You know who you are. John, thank you so much. That was so nice of you. I've gotten gift cards for places to eat out, and that was a big help during those first couple of weeks. My husband's getting into the groove, and he actually said last night he wants to cook more. Yeah, you go for it. You go for it. And but yeah, got to do it all again. But I think we'll be covered. We're good. And so yeah, thank y'all for watching. Thank you all for sticking with me. And no matter what happens, I don't care if I have to have chemo, I'm going to film. If I just have to have radiation, which I know I am going to have radiation, I'm going to film. I have missed it, and I just love it so much. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.